example number 1. We are given the expression 14 plus 8 divided by 2 times 5. According to the GMDAS rule, G again stands for grouping symbols, which is none in this example. M and D, which is multiplication and division, and we're going to perform it from left to right. Again, AS, addition and subtraction, also from left to right. Now we have the steps for the solution. Number 1, let's start with division. Okay, let's divide 8 divided by 2. So we have 14 plus 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 5. The next step, do the multiplication, which is 4 times 5. So the expression becomes 14 plus 4 times 5 is 20. And finally, we do addition. So we add 14 plus 20 equals 34. So the final answer is 34. Okay, remember, even if multiplication comes before division in the acronym, you must solve multiplication and division from left to right as they appear. So the same goes for addition and subtraction.